Letter number 1. To the people of Kufa at the time of his march, from Medina to Basra. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. From the servant of Allah, Ali, the commander of the faithful, to the people of Kufa who are foremost among the supporters and chiefs of the Arabs. Now, I am apprising you of what befell Osman so correctly, that its hearing may be like its seeing. People criticized him, and I was the only man from among the immigrants who asked him to seek to satisfy the Muslims most and to offend them the least. As for Talha and Zubayr, their lightest step about him was hard and their softest voice was strong. Aisha too was in a rage with him. Consequently, a group overpowered him and killed him. Then, people swore allegiance to me, not by force or compulsion but obediently and out of free will. You should know that Medina has been vacated by its residents. And they have abandoned it. It is boiling like a huge cooking pot and rebellion is fixed on its axis moving with full force. So, hasten towards your commander and proceed forward to fight your enemy, if so wills Allah to whom belongs might and majesty.